What's up, everybody? It's Nomad Brad, and I just wanted to show you real quick a skill that as an internet marketer I've had to use like 10 bajillion times, and it's just really handy to know. Basically, it's just how to make an image transparent. This is going to be one of the easiest like examples I could choose, but it's still just a cool skill to know. The easiest way that I know, I don't know if there are any free tools that do this. I'm sure, GIMP definitely would do the same thing. But I don't really use that because I have Photoshop. For most online images, I like to use Canva. That usually covers all bases, but I don't think Canva can do this either. At least not easily. Maybe the advanced one. Anyways, so the basic idea here is to get rid of the background color and have transparency as the background. So basically what I did is I just imported this image, and when I dropped the image into Photoshop, this is exactly what it looked like. It copied it as background copy, and so you can see, I don't know if you know this, but you can hide or show layers over here. This is like really basic Photoshop stuff. And so you'll notice there's a lock symbol, which means you can't really edit this. So one annoying thing is you think you can just come in here real quick and delete it. And that, I don't even know what that does. That's weird. So anyways, what you do instead is just right click on the background layer and click duplicate layer. And this will create an exact copy, except now you can edit it. So all you have to do is then go over here, this tool right here on the left, and I like the magic wand. If it's super simple like this one, magic wand is going to do it. It basically just like automatically selects. If you click like here, it kind of knows. So you can see that if I use the magic wand, it knows I only want this little section or this little section. It's just pretty cool. Or just the C. You could do like, oh, I just want, wow, it even figured out that I just wanted the letters. So it works really well if there's a really big contrast between the objects in the image. So all I want to do is just delete all the background and have it transparent. So I'm going to click on the background, and then I'm going to click delete. Well, I'm going to click the backspace, which deletes everything on this layer. And you can't tell yet because the first background image is an exact copy of the original. So we have to hide it to see. So now the original background is hidden, and now the copy that we made is on top of it. But the background is hidden and this one is visible. So if we hide that, there's nothing at all. And this dotted background means it's transparent. So then if we make it visible again, so we can see that just like perfectly cut out all the white and left just the transparent background. So now it's really important to go to kind of old school. I'm not like an expert at Photoshop, but you want to go to maybe quick export as PNG. It's really important to save it as a PNG because that's the best image type for transparency. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. I usually go export and then export as, and then don't really have to worry about all these options, except you have to change the format to PNG and click transparency. If you don't do that, if you don't click this transparency thing, it will automatically use white as the background. So the PNG format has the ability to have transparency. So, but you have to check that box and then just click export all and save it to wherever you want to save it. So that's it. That's how to use Photoshop to make an image transparent. That's pretty much the same process for every version of Photoshop I've ever used, and I've had it back since version 5 or 6. So that's it. That's how to make a very basic image transparent in a really fast few seconds.